What's going on, guys? Today we have a new part for the Forester. Let's check and see what I got. I got a Stromung Catback for the Forester, so we'll take place of that piece of shit. Let's open the box and check out the Catback section. As you can see, they packaged the Stromung setup very well. Paper that was from the inside. The tip is wrapped, has the exhaust hardware with it. Everything's wrapped pretty well so it won't puncture the box. I got this from Subi Mods. So let's check out, I don't know, get the old piece of shit off. Check out fitment, see how it sounds. Alright, as you can see, the Stromung is on, bolted in place, got the mid pipe in. You can see that it hits the trailer hitch, which I didn't even consider. Another thing that is an issue, but I'm going to make work. As you can see, when they mounted the trailer hitch, they did not put the exhaust hanger mount back in place. So what I'm going to do to lower that so it's not hitting, I'm going to put a clamp around that hanger for now until I get an extended one to give it more room for play. And then I will rig something up over here temporarily. And we'll see what happens with that. Alright, so that's the fix. I stuffed a heater hose right onto the actual hanger itself, looped it through the hitch mount right there, and then I put a clamp on it. And this thing, it's not going anywhere. Some clearance right there. What I already showed you with that. Clamp on the hanger to drop it down, and then a clamp on the end so it didn't come out. I guess we give it a start. There we have it, back on the ground. As you can see, plenty of ground clearance, tucked up nice. Some space right there, but there's like no movement. It's pretty much solid mounted now. So that's a temporary fix, but no one needs a permanent. I also went ahead and took the bro flaps off, the mud flaps. So they won't be scraping at least. Well, that's it for today. I was going to put in a different seat, but it's kind of warm, kind of gross. I'm going to clean up, call it a day, but the Forester's good and sounds a lot better. I'll go for a drive and see how it sounds inside the car. All right, guys, first drive. It's pretty quiet, actually. Quieter than the homemade piece of shit that was on here. Going down the hill right now, DXL, not overly noisy. I can easily talk in the cabin, that's definitely a plus. I don't hear any rattles or anything from the rear section. So temporarily that is a fix. get on it a little bit. See if she sounds. Still sounds really good. Now, keep in mind, this does have some sort of unequal length. I think probably most likely eBay exhaust manifold on it. But Catback, oh, also factory Cat still, both of them. But Catback, it's just the Stromung, the mid-pipe and the axle back. And there's a good sound to it. I don't hear, when I let off the gas for deacceleration, I don't hear any clunking, no rattling, nothing like that. I think this was a good decision. I will eventually do the Stromung catted pipe because the flanges on mine do not look the greatest. Typical New England. I don't think they're Subaru cats. They're probably Walker or something like that. So I imagine they don't have much value in scrap, but I'll take them off, see if could get anything for them. If not, I'll just hold on to them. I might put them on my girlfriend's rallycross car. Turn around real quick. Yeah, I don't notice some of the clunking that I had before went away too. I wonder if that really was just exhaust rattling on something. Obviously don't feel any horsepower gains. They say that this gains 5 to 8 extra horsepower, but it's non-turbo, and those numbers, they're fake. Let's face it, they're made up. But yeah, all in all, great fitment, like amazing fitment on the Stromung. Since it is for the Forester, it doesn't have any of the tailpipe issues. It actually sticks out past the actual bumper enough so you don't get any resonating noise interior or also exhaust smell. The flanges are tucked up so they won't catch on anything. Just very well put together. Very happy with the exhaust. This car I'm still extremely happy with. For a car that has like 230 something thousand miles. Scoots, I should probably do an oil change on this one, but anyways, we'll call that the video. The drive, amazing. Obviously simple install. I just had to figure out the hanger issue, but yeah, all in all, it's a fucking win. Thanks for watching. Check back for more. Next project, I might do the seat. I might do something else. I don't know. Who knows? But yeah, check back later, and hopefully I'll have some good shit for you. Thanks. Bye.